What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon from the Rawlins Bros, and I got some exciting news for you guys. First of all, you guys can expect a lot more content from the Rawlins Bros from this moment on. And second, today I'm coming at you guys with a couple methods that you can use if you're someone who's under 16 or you can't get a job. Now, I've personally done all these methods myself, so they're all tried and tested to work. And if you guys want to know a tip to make sure that all these methods work to the greatest capacity that they have the ability to work to, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you guys a tip that could drastically change your results in any of these methods. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, so let's get right into the video. So the first tip I have for you guys may come as no surprise, and that's because it's selling candy at school. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this topic, considering the fact that we already have two of the best how to sell candy videos on YouTube. And if you're willing to put in the effort and you have what it takes, this method can be extremely effective and you can make a lot of money. I'm going to go ahead and link our other two videos about how to sell candy at the top of the screen. So if you want to know how to do that, I'll just link them at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click those and you'll be well on your way. Okay guys, my second method I have for you guys is to create a YouTube channel. Now, creating a YouTube channel is really simple and fun, and it's a great way to make money. But I would only recommend this method if you're willing to create videos consistently for a while before you get paid. And a big reason why a lot of people fail to make money on YouTube is because they fail to be consistent for long enough without getting paid, and so they never reach the point of monetization. I know it's ironic for me to be saying this, considering the Rawlins Bros have been nothing near consistent up to this point, but we were in a unique situation where we got paid from our first video because we got over 70,000 views, and for most people that's not going to be the case. So I'd recommend making videos about things that you like so that you're willing to continue without a monetary compensation. Another method I have for you guys to make money is to flip things. Now, essentially, flipping is selling things for more than you bought them for. So you can flip things from garage sales, sneakers, clothes, thrift stores, and just about anything you can think of. And in order to flip things, you're going to need a little bit of capital to start out with. So I'd recommend getting a loan from your parents or using another one of the methods from this list. The next method we have is to sell old stuff. Now, I recommend just decluttering and getting rid of old stuff you don't need by selling it on apps like eBay, Mercari, Craigslist, OfferUp, and stuff like that. And there's probably a lot of other videos on YouTube that can go into depth about how to get rid of your old stuff and declutter by selling online. And so I recommend you guys go watch some of those. But selling your old stuff can be a really effective method for making money. Alright, the last method I have for you guys is to teach or coach something. So if there's something you're really good at, like for example, let's say you're a really good pianist and you know how to play the piano really well, you can teach people how to play the piano, and you can do like private piano lessons. And basically, if you're good enough, people are going to be willing to pay you to teach them these things. And this method is really simple, but it's another one where if you're willing to put in the work, then the results will show. Alright, now as I promised, this has been a really short video, but I'm going to share with you guys the tips on how to really maximize whatever method you decide to do. And really what that is to make small improvements every day at that method and to be consistent. So for example, if I wanted to do the YouTube method, I could make sure that I have a consistent upload schedule and that every time I upload a video, it's slightly better than the last one. Whether that be quality, the way I'm presenting information, the organization of the video, whatever it is, just make sure that you're making small improvements in whatever area you decide to do, and make sure that you're consistent. And I also want to let you guys know that these 5 methods that I listed in the video are not limitations. You can combine all 5. You cannot do any of them, but these are just 5 starter ideas that if you're struggling to come up with a way to make money, you can just try one of these. I've tried all these personally, like I said, and they've all worked, and I've made a decent amount of money doing each one of these tactics. But whatever you want to do, just be creative and apply the rule of consistency and slight improvement, because over time, what that slight improvement's going to do is it's going to build up into something big. For example, let's say you have a cousin that lives really far away and you see them once a year. Every time you see them, it's going to be a drastic change in your eyes because you're only seeing them once a year, but to the people that live with that person, it's super small changes every day that are allowing them to get to the point where they look massive by the time you see them. So just remember that small changes every day are going to compound over time, and that's how you get really good at something. And when you get really good at something, you're able to provide more value. And once you provide more value, you'll be able to make a lot more money, because money is simply a byproduct of value creation. Alright guys, I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. Make sure you subscribe down below for more awesome content. Like I said, me and Jordan are going to start uploading more consistently and more frequently for you guys. Hopefully we're going to try to get out some really good content so you guys can get a lot of value. I'm Brandon from the Rawlins Bros, and I'll see you guys later.